Let me have example of each. One example for each. An RL circuit has EMF 5 volt. An RL circuit has EMF 5 volt. Resistance of 50 ohms. And inductance of 1 Henry. And inductance of 1 Henry. This is the information given. And no initial current. Find the current in the circuit at any time. No initial current. To determine initial condition, you have this no initial current. Find the current in the circuit at any time. Yes. So RL circuit, we have an example of RL circuit. So RL circuit, the differential equation is this. So if you remember, that's okay. If not, then you can define at the moment by using Kirchhoff voltage law. Solution. Using di by dt plus R by Li is Et by L. Putting the values, the resistance, the inductance, something like that. So di by dt as it is, R by L. R is 50. 50 by 1I is equal to 5 volt. 5 by 1. L is 1. So this is linear in I. This is linear in I. Let me rub this because I have one equation which is remaining. I'll solve that. This is finished now. So this is linear in I, right? So integrating factor will be E50t, if you remember, because P is 50 and integrating factor 50 dt, because T is time. So with respect to independent variable, which is time this time. So E50t, call it number 1, equation number 1. Multiply equation 1 by E50t. So it becomes E50t di by dt plus 50I E50t is equal to 5 E50t. So if you are solving a linear differential equation, once you multiply with the integrating factor, left hand side of the equation is the derivative of product. This is I E50t is equal to 5 E50t. This. Integrating both sides with respect to time. This derivative integral cancel because they are reciprocal of one another. 50t is equal to 5 by 50. 5 by 50 mean 1 by 10. E50t plus C. So do not forget to put a constant of integration on the right hand side. There is x is there. So initial condition, no initial current. At t equal to 0, I equal to 0. This is the condition. I may be 5 ampere, 10 ampere, 6 ampere, but this time no initial current. At t equal to 0, I equal to 0. T equal to 0, I equal to 0. 0 is equal to 1 by 10 plus C. This implies C is equal to minus 1 by 10. So, I E50t is equal to 1 by 10 E50t minus 1 by 10. Look at that. But you have to find current in the circuit at any time. It means dividing by E50t. So I is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 E minus 50t. That's all. This is the answer. Where this is steady state current. Steady state current. This remains in the circuit because when time is going to large and large and large and going to infinity, that part vanish. Still, this is the part which is remaining in the circuit. So, this is steady state current and negative exponential is transient. Transient current. And it will be with negative exponential because transient currents fades out with the passage of time. When the time is moving, so this factor is decreasing and decreasing. When time is towards infinity, that vanish. So it means the negative exponential will be a transient current in the circuit which fades out when the time proceeding, and the remaining is the steady state current which remain in the circuit. So we have this example which is going to be a current in the circuit at any time. Sometime the examiner asks find the steady state current. So it means negative exponential, forget about it. The remaining is the steady state, whether a periodic function, sine, cosine may be appearing in some question, something like that. But negative exponential is the transient current. If he asks find the transient current, write down that this part is a transient current. If he says this to steady state, so that will be the steady state current. Sometime he asks. So let me have RC circuit. RC circuit, one of the examples, so that you have both examples in a minute. So RC circuit. Let me have an RC circuit has an EMF 400 cos 2t. 400 cos 2t. This is the electromotive force or the voltage provided by the battery. RC circuit has this. R is equal to 100 ohms. R is equal to 100 ohms, the resistance, and a capacitance is 10 raised to power minus 2 farad. And capacitance is 10 raised to power minus 2 farad. Look at that. This is the capacitance given, resistance given. There is no charge on the capacitor initially. Find current in the circuit at any time. No charge on the capacitor. No charge on the capacitor. Capacitor initially. So an RC circuit EMF has this, a resistance is 100 ohms, capacitance and 10 raised to a minus 2 farad. No charge on the capacitor initially. Find current in the circuit. Find current in the circuit at any time. This is all about the data. So let me have RC circuit. For RC circuit, that equation, right? So using equation dq by dt plus 1 over RCq is equal to ET over R. That's all. So because I do not remember this, I have to have each time I'm making. So this equation, let me rub this part of the board because we're finishing now. putting the values. Rate of change is in the charge. So putting the value dq by dt as it is plus 1 over r. R is 100 and c is 10 raised to power minus 2. Q is equal to 400 cos 2t and divided by r, which is 100. 10 raised to power minus 2, 10 raised to power 2 cancelled. You are left with dq by dt plus q is equal to 4 cos 2t. So you cancelled, these two cancelled. So this is linear in Q. Linear in Q. Integrating factor, call it 1, is ET. Look at that. This is P. P is 1. 1 dt is ET. Multiply equation 1 by ET. So this is ET dq by dt plus QET is equal to ET cos 2t. You multiply by ET. Left hand side is the derivative of product, which is QET is equal to ET cos 2t. Integrating both sides with respect to time. Once you integrate, you are left with QET is equal to integral ET cos 2t dt. Sorry, 4 is there. 4 is there. Because this is 4. 4 is there. 4 dt. Now let me solve ET cos 2t by tabular integration or integration by parts, but the tabular integration is good. Let me solve that. You have to have a table. On the left you are writing a function whose derivative eventually vanish, and on the right the integral are there. But here none of the function is going to be vanishing by taking the derivative. So it's up to you whether here cos 2t, here this. Let me have the derivative. Let me have integral. 1 over 2 sine 2t. Let me have derivative. Let me have integral. 1 over 4 cos 2t. As soon as I have this row are identically same as the first, I have to stop. Otherwise, if you're not stopping, you're not stopped. Because they've never stopped. So you have to stop. A horizontal line. Put a plus, a minus, a plus. Now show your working separately. Separately show your working on a piece of paper. Let me have this. I am solving ET cos 2t dt. This I have to show my working on a piece of paper. Let me solve separately. I multiply these two, which is half ET sine 2t. Then I multiply these two, minus minus, plus 1 by 4 ET cos 2t. This I have 2 multiplied. Then the horizontal line is written in terms of integral, plus minus minus, 1 by 4 is outside, ET cos 2t dt. This I have written in terms of integral, plus a constant of integration obviously. This side is taken to the left. This side is taken to the left. So this is 1 plus 1 by 4. ET cos 2t dt is equal to half ET sin 2t plus 1 by 4 ET cos 2t plus c. Is this clear, students? Now this is 1 plus 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. Let me write 5 by 4. So I multiply with 4 by 5. 4 by 5. I multiply with 4 by 5. So that's coefficient is 1. Here 4 by 5. Here 4 by 5. Here 4 by 5 is C1. So this 4, 5 cancelled. I have left et cos 2t dt is equal to, this is 2 2s are 4, 2 by 5. This is 2 by 5 et sin 2t. And then 4 cancelled. This is 1 by 5 et cos 2t plus c1, because c is multiplied with 4 by 5 and c1. So this is this. Let me multiply again by 4 because I am looking for this. Multiply by 4. Et cos 2t dt. I multiply whole equation by 4. This is 8 by 5 et sin 2t plus 4 by 5 et cos 2t plus c1 star. Let me have. Because I multiply c1 by 4, let you have another constant. Now this you have shown your working by solving everything, and this you have found putting here. So QET is equal to 8 by 5 ET sin 2t plus 4 by 5 ET cos 2t plus C1 star. Let you are finding C1. At t equal to 0, Q is 0. No charge on the capacitor initially. When t is 0, Q is 0. This is 0 on the left. T is 0, sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. 4 by 5 plus C1 star. This implies C1 star is minus 4 by 5. This you have. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. So putting the value of C1 star back in this equation, Q is ET 8 by 5 ET sin 2t plus 4 by 5 ET cos 2t minus 4 by 5. C1 is minus 4 by 5. So still this is not the answer because you have to find current in the circuit at any time. Dividing by ET. So Q is left. This is 8 by 5 sin 2t plus 4 by 5 cos 2t minus 4 by 5 e minus t. So this is charge on the capacitor. Differentiate with respect to time to find the current. Differentiate with respect to t. So dq by dt is equal to I. This you are looking for. Derivative of this to the 16. 16 by 5 cos 2t minus 8 by 5 sin 2t plus 4 by 5 e minus t. So this is the required answer by taking the derivative, and you will see this negative exponential that vanish with the passage of time, and this is transient current IT, which is no more in the circuit. But this is going to be the steady state current, which may be a constant or periodic function of time which remains in the circuit.